guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be working on Taufik's Lexus. The Honda's gone. This is the new project car, and we're gonna be installing VLAND headlights today. Are you gonna get the taillights?
Yeah.
All right, so taillights coming soon, but for today we're gonna get do the headlights, and he has the newer generation bumper something.
The conversion.
Yeah, the conversion. And this is the car. The fitment is kind of not there right now. He's getting back soon. Soon. So that'll be cool. But yeah, let's get started. Just took out the corner ones. It's kind of janky because they use self-tappers everywhere. But yeah, I'm gonna do the other side and we're gonna put the car on the ramps real quick. The bumper was barely on with any screws or bolts. There's two on top, two on the sides, and one on the bottom, and that's it. So let's go unbox the VLAND headlights now.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, we have to switch locations real quick because let's just say it got windy, okay? Let's just say it got windy.
Very windy.
So I took the 3 bolts out for the headlight. Right there, right here somewhere, and then right here, and it just comes out. You want to do the honors? Yeah. Alright, let me take out the wiring. Finally, they wanted to tape the whole thing, so yeah. But any clue how to take out this clip? No clue? Oh, maybe. Oh, okay. This is why they taped it, because the tabs are broken.
The jankiness is wild.
Oh, that's funny. Oh, and then a little bit of water in there. But this is it. This is the headlight and the ballast. This comes with the box, the VLAND set, and you have to pop your fuse box. And
Just right
put
there.
it. 1 second. Well, there we go. It's the top one right there, the 10 amp one. And jeez.
Very janky. Okay, so this one probably
This one,
goes
yeah,
here.
that side. Drops 215s, so pop the picker out, cherry picker. There we go. Yeah, you take that.
Okay, thank you.
That already go the other way. Let me try the other way. No, it wouldn't even go the other way, so it's this way. But we'll see if it works. And guys, under the dash, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see. Oh, you do. All right, you see the 7.5 millimeter, the amp one right next to the 10 one. You take this one out and just take it out completely, and don't run anything in there. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Take that out. Here's the fuse, the 7.5 one, and I guess you'll keep it or throw it away. It don't matter because you're not gonna be running it.
Thank you.
Yeah, put this back in the fuse box. Make sure you guys take the blue film out because this gets hot and this is definitely gonna be melted onto it if you don't take it out. Before I put the whole headlight in and bolt it on, I'm gonna test it, see if it works. Oh shit. This is this one, right? Yeah, this is this one. Where did it go? Oh,
It's right there.
alright.
You want to do the honors, Shaka?
What the hell? Why don't it go in? Oh, okay, got it. There we go.
You want to do the honors?
Can't wait to just go like.
Actually, turn on the car.
I think you just turn the
I think
headlights
you just
on.
turn it, yeah. Is it on?
Flick the
Flick
light
the
switch.
headlight. Okay. Go high beam. Okay, do turn signals. Actually, do the hazards. Okay, but the daytime isn't working, right?
No, he has to turn it off all the way.
Go try it. The
Shafkat, turn the headlight off all the way, and then turn the hazard off.
Turn it off.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And now what?
and then click the headlight up one click.
Yeah, the daytime isn't working. The daytime is for this, right? This thing is daytime? Alright, let me Dremel it out and see what happens. Oh, wait. What did you do? Or did you do it?
Nah, I
You
didn't do
pushed
it. Nah, he clicked something.
Okay, now put the hazards.
Oh, so maybe when the
The
car...
hazard and that doesn't work. Okay, I got you. Everything's good. Alright. Oh. Okay. So when you install the VLAN one, make sure you put the bracket back on, the 3 Phillip head bolts, and then you can put it back on.
Yep.
Alright, I got true niggas around me all the time. I will never let a nigga stop my grind. You're not living your best life, you're reliving your same life, so you just gotta do it different every time. Yeah. Alright, I got true niggas around me all the time. I will never let a nigga stop my grind. You're not living your best life, you're reliving your same life, so you just gotta do.
For the fuse box cover, I Dremeled in a little gap right here so the wire could run through it. He's just tucking it in right now. Oh, and for the wire that gets connected to the fuse box and goes to both headlights, I tucked it underneath and I ran it under these, what do you call it? The front radiator support. Picked this up a little and then tucked it underneath, and it runs to both. The headlights are on, everything's connected, but we're gonna have to go back to Shafkat's house because we left the bumper in the garage. So I have to go there and put the bumper on. But here's what the lights look like. That's just the DRL. That's the headlights. That's the high beams. Do the hazards?
"12 seconds later."
We're on. We're just gonna do this real quick and go to my house because we still have to bolt in the side skirts properly because it's falling off. Anything else? There was something else we were gonna do.
The shielding?
Oh yeah, the shielding.
Do it different every time. How you say you hate me, tryna be just like me. Yeah. Pull up in all black, you know I keep it spicy. Need them diamonds on my wrist to keep me shining. Got a bad chick that is worth it, put my time in. I need true niggas around me all the time, yeah. I got real niggas to help me boost my grind, yeah. I'm a different type of peanut of mankind, yeah.
Hey guys, we just finished. Everything's on, and it looks fire. He ordered fog lights.
No, he didn't.
Very cool fog lights. We're gonna put it on right now. Your connectors are fine, right?
No.
Alright, should be fine.
No.
I'm taking out the bumper right now.
So do.
Why would you do that?
He's about to go pick it up right now.
This is the product.
Ooh.
Shiny.
Mate, you're still a child of God. You're still pure, bro. That's good. That's very good in God's eyes, man.
No, he's looking at me like, you everything good? Oh, it's right here. Oh, both of them are here. Valid. Super rusted, and I gotta be super careful. That's why I'm using the handheld one.
It's hands down for me, bro. That's really good.
Forget sometimes y'all people exist to tell you the truth. It's I'm on space, I'm cutting off ties and getting my loot.
A few moments later.
Just finished everything, put everything together. It got dark, obviously.
somebody.
But oh, it was a lot of work. We put it together. The fog lights look fire. Turn it on real quick. Let me move on this before he runs it over. Oh, wait, don't turn it on yet. It should be good. Sheesh. It changes color. Wait for the. Oh!
Mashallah.
Oh! Mashallah. Mashallah. Perfection is my middle name.
That's how this happened.
Also, we put his license plate in the middle because that was kind of looking janky, blocking air in the radiator. And now it's good.
People would think in the middle is worse, but
Right? But it
they
looks
have a
much
little-
better.
It has like a bar in the middle, so it doesn't really block anything.
Yes, sir.
The crash bar.
Facts. Alright guys, we finished up everything. Fog lights are on, looks amazing. And you could kind of see it through the net on the bumper. I think that looks even cooler. And he got is it teen or Rev 9 coilovers?
Rev 9.
Rev 9 coilovers coming soon. He decided not to go bags because tell him why.
Man's a little broke at
A
the
little
moment.
broke at the moment. Money went somewhere else.
Money went somewhere else.
But yeah, it should be fine, the Rev 9 coilovers, and I just had to fix up the diffuser real quick because it was sagging a little. Any other plans?
Intake coming soon.
Right, on back order.
Definitely might change the fuel pump.
Oh yeah, definitely gotta do
And
that.
spark plugs. Spark
Right,
plugs.
right.
That's about it.
Maybe VLAND taillights.
VLAND taillights definitely coming.
Okay, as I was saying, the front looks like 10 years newer because of the bumper mod for the 2015 with the VLAND headlights and the fog lights. But the back is still kind of looking 06. 06. So the VLAND taillight will definitely fix it. Do they have roof spoilers for these?
Roof spoiler? Yes, they do. I didn't get that.
Should get one, yeah.
Should get one.
And then I think that would be it. Nothing else to do. He has the side skirts. After he does the coilovers, it'll look better, white on white. And yeah, tail lights and the roof spoiler.
That's
Almost
about
done
it.
with the build.
Almost done.